Hi, I'm Jim at A1 Vacuum Solutions, Richfield, Minnesota. Our street address is 1311 East 66th Street. One of the most frequently asked questions we get at the store is how frequently should I change a bag? Our answer to that obviously is how much do you clean, what kind of debris is being picked up, but we suggest that you change a bag in a vacuum between half and 2/3 full. We also offer different quality bags as far as filtration goes, so stop in the store. We'll see you there. Our address is 1311 East 66th Street in Richfield. Website is www.a1vacmn.com or give us a call at 612-869-2555.